What's up, guys? Corbin the Cartoon Characters here with another snack review. This is the Pringles Cheddar and Sour Cream flavor. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how it tastes. If it tastes good, if it tastes bad, here we go. So I'm opening it up. ASMR moment. It smells good. Okay, so here we go. Let's give this a try. A little bit cheesy, but where's the sour cream? So as you can see right here, look. I can see a little bit of a cheese right there. It only tastes a little bit of cheese. And it doesn't taste, I don't taste any sour cream in it. But for this one, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 because, well, there was no sour cream in it. It tastes a little bit of cheese. So there you go. What's your favorite Pringles flavor? Let me know in the comments below. And these guys will see you all next time. Have a good day. Have a good night. Peace.